You're trying to lose fat. But what if I told you the real reason you're stuck has nothing to do with cardio? You've been doing everything right, or at least that's what you think. You run, you sweat, you push yourself. Maybe you even starve a little. But the fat? Still there. And it's frustrating because it feels like your body is working against you. So let's fix that. Because today, I'm going to show you the #1 fat loss trick no one talks about. And once you understand this, everything changes. Let's get this straight. Fat loss is not about cardio. Yeah, I said it. You can run for hours, burn calories, feel like a machine, and still not lose fat. Why? Because fat loss doesn't care how hard you train. It only cares about one thing. Are you in a calorie deficit or not? That's it. You can't out-train a bad diet. You can't sweat out fat. And if you don't understand this, you'll stay stuck. So here's the trick no one tells you. Don't just eat less, eat smarter. Because the problem isn't hunger, it's how you manage it. You eat 500 calories of junk food, chips, sweets, fast food, and 30 minutes later, you're hungry again. Now take 500 calories of high-protein, high-fiber food, eggs, chicken, oats, vegetables. You stay full, you feel satisfied, and you don't crave garbage. Same calories, completely different results. That's the game. Most people try to lose fat by doing this. Eat less, feel miserable, quit after a week. Because starving yourself doesn't work. You lose energy, your workouts suffer, your cravings explode. And then one day, you snap, and suddenly your diet turns into a full cheat weekend. So instead of fighting your body, you work with it. Here's how you start today. First, prioritize protein in every meal. Second, choose foods that fill you up without destroying your calories. Third, keep your meals simple and consistent. And finally, move more, not harder. You don't need to destroy yourself with cardio. Just walk more. Here's where everything changes. Fat loss isn't about suffering. It's about control. When you control your hunger, you control your calories. And when you control your calories, you control your results. No more guessing, no more frustration, just progress. So here's the bottom line. Fat loss isn't about doing more, it's about eating smarter. Master this, and fat loss becomes simple. Not easy, but simple. Now it's your move. Start today, stay consistent, and watch your body change. Let's get to work.